Imagine telling someone to wash clothes since 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. She's on her phone. How do you feel? It's alright. Let me help you. Let me help you. We can work together.
Doing what you do not want to do, but you want others to do it for you.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's alright.
Patience, kindness, and forgiveness are fruits of humility.
Ovuga biki tolaba?
Really?
Onkozesezza ensobi kati ate ogamba biki byogamba ebyo?
I am sorry, sir.
At times, you can apologize to one who owes you an apology. Humility.
At UCC Kasubi, we are organizing this conference about humility from the 31st of October to the 5th of November. We want to welcome you all. Come and learn about humility, this rare topic. Remember, God is a humble person, and all of us Christians, we have to put on this garment of humility. Amidst the conference, we shall be launching the book that was written by the Apostle Stephen Senfuma, entitled Humility. Come and learn about humility, this rare topic in our days.